staying tuned to another video on our YouTube page, The Andersons.
You're so weird.
The intro kind of lame still, but forgive me. So today I'll be taking my wife here on a Saturday night date. Saturday night date.
We're walking. No car.
Sometime you have to park your car and then take a walk. Our chronic song goes so. Park the car and make we take a walk. Yeah, platonic. And also the reason we decide for walk as well is to give you guys kind of, you know, a look as to which part we live in terms of our community and stuff. Plus the restaurant slash bar where we are is not that far away. It's a good looking walk still, but me need it, obviously. Hmm? They say we're gonna fall for around 2 days now, babes. Reach.
We not reach now, baby. We have to reach.
Basically, please right there.
We still not reach.
I feel like a technical man, nobody. Yeah, Richard. I told you up our except on the ground. Hello. We're here, just the two of us, just to dine.
No worries.
Okay, thank you. Hello. Thank you, but is there a table probably further to the back that we can probably get? Yeah. Thank you. We prefer the back. Right, babes?
Definitely.
Prefer the back? Ever for the back? Me too. Perfect. Thank you.
Our cast will be right with you. Just so you guys know, we are as at 10 o'clock, we are Apple Zone.
We are?
At 10 o'clock, we break down to Apple Zone. So we do mains until 10. And
Okay.
then after that, it's just Apple Zone.
Okay, we're good. Thank you. Oh man, I love this spot, man. I love it. Babes,
Yeah. Cheese.
happy date night.
So we start calling it now.
Babes, I want them to come with local food. I can't bother them places, you know, man. You can't come to them places hungry, you know. And the thing I force to show you bad habits, you know. The light? Fries I want to salt, babes. Not run out of fries I want to salt. Table are too small. Yam fries is better. Scale of 1 to 10. Are you 0 again?
No, I honestly don't like it. Honestly don't like
I don't think a 0 is still a bad worse.
it. No, this ain't worse. Oh, that's it.
Just like only got wings there, just alright. But you don't normally like it.
No. Come here. We don't have public. Hold on, no man.
Yeah, load my phone this. Wrong, man. That's the thing you want me to deal with is not fun for acting.
We never say no one fuck, we don't deal with the bones, so.
Now the people might think they're greedy. Watch out. Watch out.
I'm not greedy. But I'm going to watch.
Watch it. Be a watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
No.
I know watch it. Watch it.
Oh,
Watch
this
it.
is juicy.
It's all she maga. It's all she name enough.
No.
The people are gonna feel like so we're greedy, you know this. Yo. My now wife up that board, you know this. That tastes good.
Yes, sir.
My now wife up that board on her backside.
No. Not fun.
Make the world say you're greedy. Make the world say oh you're crave and still.
Not good.
So I'm have to deal with. Intermission.
Food already.
Like shot and food tastes alright. Intermission people. Yeah, that was appetizers.
Sorry, man. Read. I can't read.
So I deal with burger so. Anyways. Do me a beg no, don't judge me. Oh man, so the food ever really 100 people, so I just there all look reasoning and stuff, and you can have to make it fun. So date night, we have to tell them about date night is.
Very important. Persons in relationship or marriage, especially marriage, need to have date nights, have time together.
You don't have to be nothing fancy. You don't have to be no expensive restaurant. You don't have to be none of that. It can just be just go get some ice cream or just go
Have
a
little
picnic.
picnic.
Any little thing.
Go for a weekend. Stuff like that.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, the video is still not on you.
Should I be the boss to practice?
Oh no, we're all done.
You okay?
Yeah. You got it. Thank you. Yeah. So I was in a discussion this morning in a group that I'm a part of, right? And the topic came up about cheating. And somebody commented and said that cheating will never stop because cheating is fun. And my comment was, no, cheating is not fun. But what is fun about cheating is the newness and the adventure that comes with cheating. So most persons cheat because you give them adventure or because you give them some form of a newness, right? But if it is that you guys can replicate the adventure and the newness within your relationship, then you don't need to cheat. You don't need to cheat because you guys are gonna have everything what you need within the relationship, right?
the same thing you will do when you're thinking about cheating or you're cheating. Just do it in a relationship. Simple.
Exactly, and that's simple. And if it is that for whatever reason you guys can't par, you can't flex, you can't do nothing, the exit door is always open in a relationship. It makes no sense you guys force yourself to go through situations where no relevant to or no beneficial to none of you guys. Just move on until I find somebody more compatible. I remember while we were in Jamaica, a regular, I just pick her up from work, I would just find one motel.
So we have to tell out the things that we do like that.
And that after we married, and after we've been together for a number of years, and after we have a child and all of them things.
Still do it.
And people right now feel like we're going to find a motel. I want some people look for it. Anytime they see we two where we come from a motel and they don't know where or nothing, they'll be like, then watch him man, watch him, whatever. Not knowing how we live in a said yard, they're going to feel like some people woman and a people man and we're either not go a motel and do a thing and stuff. But the point is it have to fresh, it have to original, it have to flexible and it have to make time for each other. Each other being the two and alone. No pitney,
No friends.
no family member, no nothing.
You go on date and you have Tom, Dick, Harry, John, Dwayne.
That's on a date. That's a link up. That's a link up. A date is something where just the two and supposed to can reason and communicate and that is a setting where you guys reason about whatever challenges you wanna have. Like life in general, yeah. Like for example, if it is that you are uncomfortable or if it is that you have any like complaint or disagreement or any uncomfortable feeling towards each other. This is why we don't sit down and reason it out and say about babes, I don't say oh. But the real one, so I'm going last night, you know, I drop asleep, you know, I never really like that, you know. I'm going to tell her straight, don't make it happen again. And then I set in there because Uragon is a relaxed setting, so I tell her.
No, I get
She go say, babes, know yourself, man, I get some tonight.
Yeah, I get none tonight. No, not really.
Talk shit talk, man. I talk shit talk. Please, people, if this is the first time you guys watching a video for us, please subscribe. Don't forget to share and don't forget to leave a comment. Right? The first aim that we have right now is to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're currently there, we're 400, somewhere there, and we need to reach 1,000.
I really appreciate everybody that subscribes thus far. Continue to watch our videos.
Continue to like us and give all the motivational comments and the responses that you guys been giving. Like we really love it and like actually feel like we have opened up our family to all of you guys. Like we are on a date right now with 400 people. And we really don't mind. Our relationship is very real, like it's very authentic, and we just hope that we can use this platform to show our life.
She dropped the plate.
Oh, she know? Oh, she dropped the plate. She dropped it.
No, guys.
So guys, this is our waiter for tonight. Say hi.
Waitress.
Waitress. Why am I always getting that wrong? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, thank you so much. We had like a very good time tonight.
Good, I'm glad.
Yes. Say hi.
Hello.
No, you have to say hi.
Hi.
And we're from Jamaica, so you have to say Wagwan.
What do I have to say?
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan?
Okay, thank you. What up? This is my boy Dustin, man.
Yeah. 1980.
Man, that's a big cube ice.
Yeah. That's how you started. Rose water.
kind of alcohol is that? Is that rum?
This is Saint Germain. Right? Oh, and then my
Dusty's trying to get me drunk.
Right? Plan. We're known for a madhouse.
Oh man.
Purple.
there you go.
That's it?
Oh wait.
Okay, so Cassie's gonna add her touch. Okay. Her straw, that is.
You gotta mix it though.
Gotta mix it. Make me a base. Make me a base. There you go.
Man, that's good. Can I have another one? I'm joking. I'm joking.
I'll make one for you.
I'm joking.
Go ahead. Here's everything.
I don't know.
There's half ounce of everything else. 1 ounce of lemon, half ounce of everything else.
Yeah, and you don't even taste the alcohol, bro. Like,
Yeah,
it's
it's a good
super
drink.
smooth, man.
And this gin's not like, you can't actually buy this. You have to infuse your gin. It
Oh.
comes with pea flour, and we put it in the gin, and we let it infuse for like a day. But that's what makes it blend.
That is super good, bro.
The pea flour is really high in pH, so when it touches the citrus, because it turns purple.
Yeah, this is good.
It's like a flowery, like lemonade, I find.
Yeah, yeah. Where's Cassidy to add her touch?
There you go, yeah.
Where's Cassidy?
Right?
Cassidy, we need you. Where's our touch?
So the trick is, I like using these ones more because then it actually layers and it stays blue for longer. And then you get that nice blue
Yeah,
all the way
yeah,
around
yeah.
it.
Yes. I'm a bit drunk. I'm not drunk. I'm a little tipsy.
Yeah, this is what drunk looks like. Yeah, we're drunk, refreshed.
I'm not fried.
We should have just gotten drinks only and no food. Man, that was crazy. Yeah, like. So now, because we never drive, we'll wait for a taxi for 5 hours. So outside. Yeah. Is that a good thing to place to that cold tonight? Yeah. And stuff.
You got a text?
I don't know.
Oh, didn't come up on the phone.
Waiting on the taxi, waited on the taxi. No, that I pressed down. So no man, stop video. Yeah.
So how long have you been here?
In Japan?
Yeah,
Almost a year.
almost a year. You just like us.
Oh, really?
Yes, we're from Jamaica.
Oh, how do you like it here?
I don't like it. I don't
You
like
came straight from Jamaica to here?
it. Yes.
Yep.
Oh my god, man.
From the warm and
That's
nice.
shocking, huh?
Yes, shocked to our bones.
So we just come off of the taxi.
I am drunk. But it's not good.
girl.
Go in the elevator. Ah. It's a good thing. I wear press much.
Nice.
It's a good thing so never drive. Yeah, one P.
She's a good girl. She's not drunk.
Neither am I. I'm not drunk. I've never been drunk.
Oh my god.
I'm sure somebody's saying like, right. Never been drunk.
No, I'm good. Okay.
Anyways, before we say something that might harm us, we're gonna stop video now. Have a good morning, night, afternoon, wherever you are.
Subscribe,
Like, share, comment. Please don't drink and drive. Don't do it. Call a taxi. Somebody, what call it?
What?
DDI. Designated driver.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself.
Or